Hello Linux Kings and welcome to a new video. So today we will go through a really long playlist. It's the RHCSA exam. It's a really interesting exam. So we will cover all of its subjects. We will go with them one by one. I hope you enjoy these videos. So just a quick intro before we start. So for your instructor, I'm a system engineer. I have 4 Red Hat certifications, including RHCSA, RHCE, and I have 2 Red Hat Specialist certifications. I'm a fan about Linux, and I'm glad to teach you this new course. So we will talk more about it. So I'll just give you an overview on what we will be doing. So it's a new channel, so I'll be posting a video on each day to cover a subject about the RHCSA. So we expect it to end in like a couple of weeks. So just for the objectives that we will cover in the exam. So before all of these objectives, before all of this, we will set up our lab. So I'll upload the video about how to set up a Red Hat distribution lab. After setting up the lab, we will start with understanding and use the essential tools, so the CLI commands. So we will start with that. We will go through the SSH, the login, the archive, the tar, creation, editing, deleting files, locating folders and files. After that, we will deep dive into creating some shell scripts. So from simple to a little bit complicated, because in the exam there's like always a question about shell scripting. Of course, we will do a lab after doing the shell part. So we will do a lab about every big subject in here. So after that, we will go through booting, rebooting, shutting down the system, resetting the password. So it's a question also in the exam. So we will work with check our CPU, memory, and all of the commands related to this stuff. So after that, we will go throughout storage. It's one of the most important Linux subjects, and I think it's the most. I think it's the most important. As I said, if you understand this, you understood about 40% of the whole exam. So it's creating and configuring the file systems. It's part of it. So mounting and mounting. It's all. I call it all storage. So we will go through that. It might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, guys. We will simplify all that and go through labs. So it won't be a problem. You just need to practice, and I'm pretty confident that my videos will bring up value to you. So we will go through also deploying configuration with scheduled tasks using cron. So we will start and stop services. So we will go through that. So that chapter is also interesting. It's about the services in general. After that, we will go a bit about networking. So what are the files that we can configure to check our networking status? How to configure a network manually. So yes, that's about it. And there's the firewall CMD and firewall CLI. It's really important to a tool also. So we will go through that too. After that, we will go through users and groups. I might go through this chapter before, because it's more easy than the storage and stuff like that. So we will try to like set up the environment, go through shell scripting, then doing the users, and after that we go through the networking and storage. So yeah, after that we will manage security using SO Linux. There's also questions about SO Linux, so yeah, we need to go through them. And we will manage containers using Podman in the last chapter. So I hope that you like this series. We will be posting a video each day covering the subject until I finish all of these subjects. So bear out with me. I hope that these videos are informative for you, and thank you for watching.